All right, so yesterday I got a small check and I wasn't happy about the guy who pulled the electronic spark timing connector. I think he yanked it too hard and it broke. So anyhow, this is his repair with painter's tape. So today I went over to O'Reilly's and I picked up one of these connectors. It's a single terminal, single wire. So I'm gonna fix this guy. Alright, so here is my cheap fix. I got the quick release connector here. I just need to get some better wire connectors instead of using these electrical tapes here. But anyhow, that should work, so let's fire it up. Alright, no check engine light. That's a good sign. That means the distributor is reading the spark table. Or at least when it gets hot enough, when it's in close position, it'll read the spark table. Alright, let's take it out for a drive. Alright, so far so good. No check engine light. All the vitals are good. Alright guys, still good. No check engine light. So right now it is running hot. It is in close loop and no check engine light, which is a good sign. 860,684 miles.